Approaching women with confidence can be a challenging task for many men. The fear of rejection, self doubt, and social anxiety often hold many men back from taking that first step. However, with the right mindset, strategies, and techniques, you can overcome those barriers and approach women confidently. In this video, we will talk about 10 ways that can empower you to approach women with confidence and increase your chances of building a healthy and meaningful relationship. Now, let's begin. 1. Believe in yourself. The first and most important step in approaching a woman with confidence is to believe in yourself. Know that you are unique and special with your own strengths and ability. Remember that everyone feels a bit nervous sometimes, but that does not mean you can't be confident. Embrace your uniqueness and believe that you have something great to offer. 2. Make eye contact. If you want to approach a woman with confidence, making eye contact is an important part. It shows that you are confident and interested in the person. When you make eye contact, you are telling a woman that you are paying attention to her and that you are interested in what she has to say. Look the person in the eye and hold the gaze for a few seconds. This will help you establish a connection and show your confidence. 3. Approach with a smile. It's no secret that a smile is a powerful tool when it's come to approaching women confidently. It helps to break the ice and make the person feel at ease. A smile shows that you are friendly and approachable. When approaching a woman, make sure to smile and maintain a positive attitude. This will help you to create a good first expression and set the tone for the conversation. 4. Start with a compliment. Starting a conversation with a compliment is a great way to approach a woman confidently and can help to create a positive atmosphere. When giving a compliment, be specific and genuine. 5. Ask open-ended questions. Asking open-ended questions is not only a great way to keep the conversation flowing, but also show your interest in the woman. It also encourages the woman to talk more and share her thoughts and feelings. This helps to create a deeper connection and can even lead to a more meaningful conversation. 6. Listen and respond. Listening is an important part of any conversation. When approaching women, it's important to listen to what they have to say and respond appropriately. This shows that you are interested and that you value their opinions. 7. Be respectful and polite. Respect is the key factor of any healthy relationship. Approaching a woman confidently does not mean being aggressive or disrespectful. It's important to be respectful and polite at all times. Treat her with kindness and respect and be mindful of her feelings. Remember, everyone has the right to say no, and it's important to respect their decision. 8. Practice good body language. Your body language speaks volumes even before you say a word. To approach a woman confidently, it's essential to convey openness through your body language. Stand tall and maintain a relaxed posture and avoid crossing your arms as it can signal you are nervous. Make sure to face the woman directly and maintain an open stance. These non-verbal cues will help you appear more approachable and confident. 9. Be authentic and genuine. Authenticity is the key when approaching women with confidence. Instead of trying to impress, be genuine and true to yourself. Women appreciate honesty, so be open about your intentions and interests. By doing so, you build a foundation of trust and connection. 10. Embrace rejection as a learning opportunity. Rejection is a natural part of the dating game and it can happen when approaching women. Instead of letting rejection discourage you, use it as a chance to learn. Understand that not every interaction will lead to a romantic connection, and that's totally fine. Approach each interaction with a positive mindset, and if things don't work out, view it as a chance to grow and improve. Reflect on the experience, learn from it, and use that knowledge to enhance your future interactions. Confidence comes with practice and experience. It's totally fine to feel nervous when approaching a woman, but by implementing these tips, you can gradually build your confidence over time. Remember, approach each interaction with respect and a genuine interest in getting to know the woman. With practice and a positive mindset, you will become more successful in approaching women confidently. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for future video. See you in the next video.